Hello, so today, I am going to be doing another hair tutorial for an American Girl doll. So this one's really pretty. I like this one a lot, and I hope you guys do too. So the things we'll need for this will be 3 elastics or hair ties and a brush. So brushy. Um, so yeah. So first you're just going to start out by brushing your doll's hair to make it silky, and so that if you did another hairstyle, then it won't get all bumpy and stuff from the old one. So first thing you want to do is to part her hair down the middle. A trick that I use is the thumbnail, and if she has just a part in the middle of her head, this is what I do. I stick my thumb in the middle part and slowly go back with my thumbnail, making a line, and then separate where my thumb is. I think this is a super fun and easy trick for anybody who needs that. So then just brush the two sides out and put one to the side. Then we're just going to gather the hair in our hand and brush it out. Make sure that it's flat up here, so especially brush up there. Then we're going to spritz this side. Be sure to cover our eyes or else water will get to them and then they'll rust. So spray it, especially up here and down here. Then again, brush it. We spray it so that the hair will stay in place and so that there's no frizzies like this. Rawr. So then just pat it back down if any frizzies are being annoying. Then just start to twist the hair down low and then just twist the length of her hair. When you're twisting it, kind of make it go a little bit into the middle of her back. And then tie it off with an elastic or hair tie. So, of course, it might start to spin, but that is totally fine. If it starts to spin, just let it do what it wants. It's fine. We can deal with it. So then take the other half of your hair and do exactly the same. Brush. And I know you guys can't see it, but you know what I did. Brush. Spritz. Brush. And twist. And tie it off with another elastic. And it will start to untwist, and then it's totally fine. Then with these half twisted parts, we're going to both twist them again and join them together in the middle of her head. And take the third elastic and tie both of them together. It doesn't matter if the other hair ties are in the elastic that you tied them off with, or out of the elastic. If they're out of the elastic, then just slightly push it up a bit. Then you can tie it off with a strip of fabric or a ribbon or yarn or whatever you want. Or you could just leave it like this. And then just wrap it around multiple times so it makes a thick, well, like this bow, but it's not a bow. I don't really know how to explain it. Then just roll the end and tuck it in. Then there's all you have to it. I really like this, and I think that it's a super pretty thing that you can do. And it's super quick and easy, so if you want to take your doll somewhere and you want to do their hair, then this is something super simple that you can do really fast. I really like it because it's kind of like a French braid, but it's not. Yeah, but you guys could add little strings and stuff in her hair and then twist it. I don't really care what you do, just have fun and be creative. Bye guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!